Hello my beautiful friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm unboxing my first Blink Wink box. If you want to see what I got in the box and what the subscription box is all about, stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I am so glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Blink Wink is a monthly subscription box. I think it's fairly new. I've only heard about it recently. You get 6 to 9 items monthly. They don't give you a value that you're going to get, but they do say that it is so you can try new products at a fraction of the retail price. A single box is $32.99. They do offer discounts for prepaid subscriptions of 3, 6, or 9 months. So I decided to give it a try, see what it was all about. I did do just a single box to start, and we'll talk a little bit about what I decided at the end after we see what is in the box. Now, the first item was not actually in the box itself because it was too big. It shipped outside in the over carton, and it is from MANNA KADAR Beauty, the Essentials Brush Kit. And this kit contains 6 brushes and the brush cleaner. It includes a powder brush, foundation brush, a domed eyeshadow brush, a blending brush, concealer brush, and an angled eyeliner brush, along with the brush cleaner. And this retails for $39. Again, paid $32.99 for the box. We haven't even opened it yet, and already we have product worth more than what we paid for it. So far, so good. I'm intrigued. How about you? Let's take a look and see what is actually inside the box. Okay, the first item is also from MANNA KADAR Beauty, and this is the Lash Love 2-piece mascara set. And it includes a volumizing mascara and a curling mascara, and the set retails for $29. So far, so good, huh? I'm pretty impressed. Next, we have from Blink Wink itself. This is a lash library. This contains 5 pairs of lashes. They're all different. I don't wear false lashes, but I'm assuming this is, their own brand. This is not sold on its own at retail, so I can get a retail price on it. I'm assuming that with a name like Blink Wink and the fact that they make their own lashes, that we are likely to see lashes in the box every month. But if the box is good overall, I'm fine with getting one product that I'm not really going to use, as long as it's good quality, because I can always find it a good home, whether it's in a giveaway or friend or family or whatever. So again, I don't use false lashes, so I'm not the right one to tell the quality on these. But again, it is 5 pairs, and we'll talk about the retail price on that later. Next, from ILLUMINATI Cosmetics, this is one of their quad palettes. There are 18 different color story quads available from ILLUMINATI. We received Skull and Bones, which, as you can see, is shades of gray. I received another quad from ILLUMINATI Cosmetics in a subscription box, and fortunately it was a color story that I couldn't use. I'm gonna guess it was too orange, because that's usually something that'll get me to hand it over, because I'm afraid I'm gonna look like pumpkin. So I'm very interested to try this one. These retail for $21. And next, speaking of orange, from KADAR Beauty, this is the Orange Pop palette. And this 16 shade palette they refer to it as the neutralist one of the 3 in their High Times collection. I'll let you get a good look at the cover again. The other 2 in the collection are the Girl Scout palette, which is green, and the Purple Haze palette. There's the color story. Definitely not my colors, but even I can appreciate some of these as being, pretty great colors. If you like yellows and oranges and and reds, this would definitely be for you. Retail on this is $14.99. This will definitely find another home because, like I said, I don't do oranges. As I said, the Girl Scout palette, the green one, is sold out, but the Purple Haze palette is still available. And if you like this one and you don't want to wait to see if you win it in a giveaway, it is available as a duo with the Purple Haze palette for a little bit less than you would pay to get each one separately, I believe. And finally, our last product is from ColourPop, and it is the Mar palette. I don't have this one, so I don't know much about it. It is a teal and bronze 9-pan palette. Here's the packaging on the outside. That lovely teal retails for $12. I'll tell you, as we've said before, I don't do oranges, but these blues, the blues and greens and that diagonal might be enough to get me to try it because they're just gorgeous. And you know, it's ColourPop. And you know I love the ColourPop formula. We've talked about that. I'm actually wearing ColourPop again today. Got the Raw Beauty Christie in Far Sight on again today because I just can't seem to put that one down. I just love it so much. But anyway, the Mar palette retails for $12. As I said, I've never tried this one. I haven't tried all of them, but I've always been happy with my ColourPop palette. So very excited to be seeing ColourPop in this box. So that's everything. We got the Mar palette, the Orange Pop palette, the Illuminati quad, the Lash Library, the mascara set, and the brush kit. They promised us 6 to 9 items at a fraction of the retail price. We got 3 palettes, the Lash Library, a mascara duo, and a brush set. To me, that's definitely hitting that 6 to 9 item mark. We paid $32.99 for the box. Retail value of the 5 items other than the Lash Library would be $115.99. Again, since this is not sold at retail, I have no idea what the value of these lashes are because since I don't use them, I can't even look at them and say, okay, these are really good, or they're, you know, these are high-end, these are medium, or whatever. I know a single pair of lashes can be $25, $30, maybe more, I don't know. Like I said, I don't wear them very often. The cheapest 5-pack of lashes that I could find at Ulta was $11.99. I'm not saying that these are cheap, I'm just saying that if you use that as a base price of the minimum that this would be, then the retail value of everything received in this box would be $127.98. Again, I paid $32.99 for it, so that's about a 74% discount. I think that definitely qualifies as a fraction of the retail price. I'll be honest with you, I did it originally, like I said, I did a single subscription, a single box, rather than doing a prepaid subscription. And I think we've talked before about the fact that my plan is to reevaluate all my subscriptions at the end of the year and decide which ones I'm going to continue and which ones I'm going to get rid of. I am going to be trying to cut back in general, do some low buy, no buy for a while because this holiday season got a little out of hand and situation's changing here at home. My spouse retiring and everything and starting businesses and whatnot. So my thought was to kind of cut back a little bit. And when I had not even gotten a shipping notification for this at the end of by the end of November, or like very close to, by Thanksgiving anyway, I decided to go ahead and cut this one. It's like, okay, that's an easy one, let me just cut it. And because it didn't actually arrive until early December, and so I had, like I said, I canceled my subscription, and then I saw everything that was in this, and I was like, well, now wait a minute, I'm actually more impressed with this than some of the other subscription boxes that I get. So I went back in and resubscribed. And we'll give this one a couple of months and see if it continues to be this good. So I may keep this instead of some of the other ones that have just not been doing it for me lately. So let me know what your thoughts are on this box. Have you heard of the Blink Wink box? Have you tried it? What do you think of what I got in it? Do you think it was worth it? And, you know, let me know your thoughts, and leave any comments down in the comment section as always. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.